It's about 2 hours before me, Trey, Hunter, and Joseph head up to the waterfall, and I'm getting a little nervous.
I think this is the first time I've actually had the commitment that I'm actually gonna jump.
We both know that when we're standing on the edge of that cliff and we jump off, our bodies are gonna take over, the adrenaline's gonna take over, and the jump is gonna go how we want it to.
I'm feeling pretty good today. Shane and Trayden might jump the 60-foot cliff. That'll be pretty sweet. I guess we'll see how it goes today. Hunter and I are thinking about jumping, like the shorter cliff. Maybe a backflip from me today. You never know. We'll see how it goes.
You think it's a good idea to jump from the top?
Yeah, I'd say it's a good idea. It's dangerous. Definitely got a depth check, do stuff like that, make sure we're all safe. Simple things.
That's good. I like it.
Yeah. Look, you know how the pagan chit-chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe. Been with chubs through highs and lows. We seen man last night, they froze. Wasn't no cameras, wasn't no pose. Just like that one time at Cella. Good thing man weren't pulling out phones. Stay in big 6'6" with woes. Man start dissing and doing repos. They do anything except roads. Still can't see them after it snows. I don't have time for the waste man jokes.
Yeah. Oh, set time, baby.
And this shit hard. Flying over, picture me. Flying overseas at a link. Last year I wasn't on a thing. This year I get everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time to send it. Here we go.
3, 2, 1, send it!
Slide with me, ride with me, get high with me. You know that
I got no words. That was the craziest thing I've ever done.